Welcome to our channel. If you need to connect your Nest to Wi-Fi or change the network, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth connection process. Step 1. Open the official app for your Nest on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the device settings section and select your Nest from the list of connected devices. Step 3. Look for the Wi-Fi or network settings option and tap on it to view current connection details. Step 4. Select Change Network or Connect to Wi-Fi to begin the network connection process. Step 5. Your device will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your desired network from the list of available options. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully when prompted. Make sure to use the correct case and special characters. Step 7. Wait for the device to connect to the new network. This may take a few moments as the device establishes the connection. Step 8. Confirm that your Nest is successfully connected by checking the connection status in the app. Test the device to ensure it's working properly on the new network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.